back of a motorbike for 2 years.
Really scary.
Huh?
I'm not even looking.
Shut your eyes and hold on. It's the speed bumps that kill us. I don't know why there'll be speed bumps, there's not anybody obeys the speed bumps. Oh, here we go, cars. Oh, up. Oh, they're off. Jesus Christ. Why yourself, TikTok? What the? He's buying a selfie top there, driving his motorbike taxi. Oh, this doesn't end up an insurance claim.
I don't think you'll have any, John.
All good for us. Check, I've got them. That's a bus. That thing there's a bus. And it's 10 baht, which is 25 pence. And you just jump on the back here. Jump off when you want. Just go to them. They drive past the honk a horn in case you want. They can obviously tell there's another one that you're a tourist, so just beep the horn in case you want to jump on it. Just jump on, give them 20 pence each.
This is like the shopping area at Phuket, isn't it?
It's a wee bit of Phuket town, aye. Right through the gap, there you go. Somewhere way to travel. Plus you can get a cop of your fuel as well. And it's there.
Thank God.
And our bus.
I think I've just about ripped a man's skin off.
Did I get your nails in here? There's a Pattaya night market.